Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to enable Do Not Disturb in our bedtime mode, and how to set up said bedtime mode and routine. So first we need to go to settings, then in settings we are looking for digital well-being and parental controls menu, then we need to scroll down and here we have our bedtime mode. So first of all, we can turn it on or off right now, or we can set up a routine using this option here. So use schedule. As you can see, we have our time, we have days of the week, and here we have our options to set up our routine. So let's say, and now we have our routine here. Of course, we can go here again, tap it once again, and we can choose none to disable this option. And that's all.